In a split second, the mantis grabs the spider in a vice-like grip, pinning it down. The spider thrashes wildly, trying to twist free, but the mantis refuses to let go, tightening its hold with every second. The camel spider's legs flail, its fangs gnash, but it's no use. The mantis holds on with brutal precision, methodically weakening its prey. Then, with a final, decisive strike, the mantis sinks its mandibles into the spider's soft underside, delivering the killing blow. The mantis never released its grip, not even for a second. A true display of dominance, proving that in the world of small but deadly predators, the mantis is an unstoppable executioner. Total victory. Subscribe for more.